To add liquidity in Uniswap pool fees, you first need to understand what Uniswap is and how liquidity pools work. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange protocol that facilitates the trading of cryptocurrencies on the Ethereum blockchain. A liquidity pool is a pool of funds locked in a smart contract that provides liquidity to the exchange, allowing traders to buy and sell assets. The process of adding liquidity begins with selecting the pool you want to provide liquidity to. You can choose from a wide range of available pools on the Uniswap interface, each representing a different trading pair. Once you have selected the pool, you need to deposit an equal value of both assets in the trading pair. For example, if you want to add liquidity to the ETH/USDC pool, you would need to deposit an equal value of ETH and USDC. After selecting the pool and depositing the assets, you will receive liquidity provider tokens, also known as UniLP tokens, which represent your share of the pool. These tokens can be used to claim your portion of the trading fees generated by the pool. The fees are typically a percentage of the trading volume and are distributed to liquidity providers in proportion to their share of the pool. To add liquidity, you will need to have a digital wallet such as MetaMask, and some ETH for gas fees. You will also need to have the assets you want to deposit into the pool. Once you have these, you can navigate to the Uniswap interface, connect your wallet, and follow the prompts to add liquidity to the selected pool. It is essential to note that providing liquidity to a pool comes with risks, including impermanent loss, which occurs when the price of the assets in the pool changes, resulting in a loss of value for the liquidity provider. However, this risk can be mitigated by providing liquidity to pools with low volatility and high trading volume. In conclusion, adding liquidity to a Uniswap pool is a straightforward process that requires selecting a pool, depositing assets, and receiving UniLP tokens. By understanding how liquidity pools work and the risks involved, you can make informed decisions and potentially earn a passive income from trading fees. Always do your own research and consider your own risk tolerance before providing liquidity to any pool.